505, January 21st, 2026. Right now, marks 2,030 hours of progress on the global heart simulation. Finally, after thousands of hours, it has been figured out how to create a fog war system that can simultaneously handle a area with a million voxels. As a demonstration, the level has been split into 10 planes, each of which has 100,000 voxels on it. And so that's not counting the central plane, which has a different shading system, which uses the line of sight logic. But anyway, as a proof of this, just turning on the Gizmo for the debug view, it attempts to draw all of the voxels, of which there are, as mentioned, over a million. And so the debug view can't draw them, but just as shown this, it does run well with the debug view turned off, obviously, since it's not trying to draw all the voxels, and the shader that has been created works well with all of the planes, even when the region is quite large. And so the intention going forward, now that it has been figured out how to create a fast fog war system, is to integrate this with the line of sight system. And the intention is to basically update this to be able to hide areas behind walls. And so as a demonstration, basically what this makes is it checks the range of the player for every voxel, and then updates them. And so the intention going forward, now that this has been figured out, is to get it so that in instance such as this where the line of sight is going behind a wall, it no longer goes behind the wall by taking into account the voxels in order to create a fog war system that is non-grid based. As seen here, it can sort of seamlessly traverse between different objects, different planes. And so the intention going forward is to create a fully 3D fog of war system that supports height as well as line of sight, blocking, and the ability to support multiple player units simultaneously.